Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the AVM FRITZ Repeater 2400 Wi-Fi up to 1733 plus 600 megabit per second. More Wi-Fi in every room. Network with 1 gigabit LAN. And it's easy to use and easy to use smart apps with it. High speeds and amazing signal coverage. The FRITZ Repeater 2400 has 2 separate bands thanks to intelligent mesh repeating. Achieving top speeds is easy. Extend our home network easily and efficiently with the FRITZ Repeater 2400. Mesh Wi-Fi with FRITZ. The FRITZ Repeater supports mesh Wi-Fi, meaning our videos, music and photos seamlessly reach every corner of our home, apartment or office. How does it work? The FRITZ device work together as part of a single network, communicating with each other and optimizing our devices and network usage. With the mesh, you can enjoy high speed while surfing, streaming or gaming, instead of waiting for breathtaking HD television and our favorite music. Our media will wait for us. And it's easy to install thanks to the WPS. This repeater supports uncomplicated automatic registration using the Wi-Fi protected setup WPS standard. Configuration is completely with the touch of a button. Repeats and WPS enabled routers, such as the FRITZ box, then connect automatically. The FRITZ repeater adopts the appropriated Wi-Fi settings and is ready for use immediately. We have wireless freedom with that. With its gigabit LAN port, the repeater can integrate network-enabled devices that don't have Wi-Fi functionality into the home network. This repeater does this by using radio signals to bridge the distance to the router, something that used to require laying extra cables. And if our home already has cables, the repeater can switch to LAN bridge operating mode so that an existing network cable or power line adapter can be used to connect to the router. This means even longer distance can be bridged effortlessly. Easy to operate and update, of course. From idle positioning to the optimum Wi-Fi channel, the repeater supports as with LEDs, software wizard and a clear, use-friendly interface. The FRITZ repeater also benefits from new features providing free updates and secure encryption for our Wi-Fi network. This repeater supports secure WPA2 encryption. This allows the repeater to establish secure connections to radio networks of modern routers, and our Wi-Fi is well protected. Oh, this is really awesome. With the Wi-Fi grows to whatever size we need at the touch of a button. Combine the FRITZ box with smart FRITZ repeaters and FRITZ Powerline Plus Wi-Fi combinations to adjust our home network to our individual needs and enjoy full mesh networking convenience with FRITZ. Greater wireless range in a matter of seconds. This repeater increases the range of existing Wi-Fi networks in an extremely simple and efficient manner, making it the ideal solution for extending Wi-Fi signals throughout our entire home. And dual Wi-Fi 5 plus 4 with up to 1733 megabit per second in 5G that band. And 600 megabit per second in the 2.4 gigahertz band. The Fritz repeater ensures us have the best connections. Through intelligent band selection, dynamic cross-band repeating, the Fritz repeater always chooses the most efficient path between the wireless router and wireless devices at home. And it's compatible with all standard routers. You do not have to use a Fritz box with it, no problem. It's perfectly comfortable for the Fritz box, of course, but it can also be used with many standard wireless routers out there. Whichever router we are using, the registration process couldn't be easier. Yeah, and of course, we can easily find the right or the best location for our repeater. The LEDs on the front of the Fritz repeater helps us to find the best place it will work wonderful. The Fritz app WLAN provides even more precise information about our Wi-Fi network and where the best position should be. And it's ready for the future with IPv6. In addition to IPv4, the Fritz repeater supports the IPv6 Internet Protocol. IPv6 makes existing services more convenient and considerably simplifies the host of new applications. Alternative application as a LAN bridge. This repeater can also be connected to modems or routers using a network cable. Enable Wi-Fi on this device in a quick, secure, and cost-effective manner. It's really easy. It's ready for use in a matter of a second. Thanks to the WPS Wi-Fi protected setup, we can effortlessly connect the Fritz repeater. Simply press the WPS button on the router and on the repeater, and after this, the repeater will be securely and completely automatically registered on the network. The repeater's user interface can be accessed from smartphones, tablets, and computers, iPads Pro as well, and offers a user-friendly menus for all functions. Wizards make it easy to set up the repeater manually. And it's every time fresh on the air. It's updatable with Fritz OS. The Fritz box operation system, Fritz IS or OS operation system, is also used in the Fritz repeater. We benefit from new updates for greater convenience and additional features. All Fritz OS updates are free of charge. And you will get the maximum wireless security. It supports the WPA2 wireless encryption standard for uncompromising security. Alternatively, it also supports the older WPA and WEP encryptions. But you should use WPA2, yeah. And it's also suitable for network-enabled devices without Wi-Fi functions. Thanks to its gigabit LAN port, the Fritz repeater is also suitable for the device without an integrated wireless model. Connect our smart TV, media player, or game consoles to the Fritz repeater and make long network cables a thing of the past in our home. It's, of course, the ideal combination with a Fritz box. I'm using a Fritz box with it, and it's so easy and nice. This is this awesome Fritz repeater 2400. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.